What I'm doing is putting hot water in a container here. I'm going to heat up the paint that I'm using. Is this fluorescent yellow, and I use a white primer, and it comes out over the chrome as yellow, chrome yellow. And as I'm showing you here, let me turn this off. You take one of my flashers. I like to use electrical tape, and I make a diamond right in this area. And it's simple to do. So there's going to be our diamond on my flasher. This was going to be yellow. Turn this up just a little bit more. Now, after you've got it this way, here's a couple more examples of diamonds. You take your wet and dry sandpaper, this tape here, and you have to scuff it up. Which works the best is to lay it on the bucket with water. And you want to scuff up the chrome plating. And you just keep working it back and forth until the whole thing is scuffed up, dull looking.